Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this Ashoke and pepper Gele together. This is from Instagram, trending Gele. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, and when you subscribe, remember to click on that notification bell. By so doing, you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, so this Ashoke I'm using is 2 yards. The pepper Gele as well is 2 yards. So what I do is I'm going to divide it 20-80. So you know what I mean by 20-80. The longer part is 80 while the shorter part you are seeing is 20. So all I'm doing is I'll just remove the one that can reach me to tie at the back. Then I will start off pleating at the front. So when you are done pleating, remember to arrange both sides of the Gele as you can see on the screen. Arrange it very well. It helps your Gele to be flat. And another thing I did is, as I was pleating, I did not forget to remain the one I will use to cover the back of the hair. So guys, when you are done, you place the pepper Gele on top of the Ashoke. One thing you have to observe here is, if you look very well, you will see that the Ashoke, the 20 is on the one side, while the pepper Gele, the 20 is on the other side. So don't allow your 20s to come in one side. Is either the pepper is on the other side, then the Ashoke should be on the other side. Then you start up with your plates. When you are done pleating, this is how it's going to look. So when I'm done with the plating, the next thing I will do is I'm going to tie the 20 and the 80 together. Tie it very well. If it's Ashoke, you can tie it once, but the pepper Gele, remember to tie it twice because of the slippery nature of the Gele. Then I will tie it. Remember to tie it twice to make it firm enough. So guys, I'm done tying the back of the Gele. So the next thing I will do now is to come up with the Ashoke first. Make sure you arrange the pepper Gele very well before you place the Ashoke on top of it. Once I place it, I will start forming my plates. You can form your plate whichever way that is easier for you. Form your plates. So guys, I'm done forming my plate. So the next thing I'll do now is to twist the end of the Ashoke, the remaining parts. While I twist, I raise this center up. Then you are going to be needing your office pins, those tiny pins, or any other one that is easier for you. So I'm going to go ahead and pin it down with the pepper gele. Pin it very well. You need enough pins to do this. So guys, when I'm done, I'm going to just drop the remaining and come up with my pepper gele, the 80 parts of my pepper gele. Then I'll start forming my pleats. From the roots, I'll just follow the pleats that formed during the tying of the gele at the back. Then I'm going to cross it over. The beginning, I'm going to pin it to make it easier for me to work on the rest of the gele. Then I'll start forming my pleats. Gradually, it's not easy. I tried as much as I can to stay, far while doing this so that you can get what I'm doing. But it's not easy, to work on your fan without, covering some part of it. So I'm so sorry for that. So you have to follow your pleats. See the way I'm doing it. I'm just trying my best to make you guys see what I'm doing. You pleat until you get to the end of the gele, pepper gele. So when you pleat, use your office pin and pin it down. You form, you pin it down. As you do so, remember to arrange the Ashoke as well. You form, you pin. I'm sure you can see what I'm doing. So guys, when you're done with the plating, the next thing you will do is to twist the remaining part of the pepper gele. Twist it down to the back wherever it stops. Then you use your pin as well to hold it. So guys, the next thing I'll do again is to use the remaining parts of the Ashoke. I told you before that I dropped it. I'll just use the remaining parts to cover the back of the hair and pin it. Use your pin to pin it very well. Pin it all around and the back is ready. So this is the back of the gele. So the next thing I'll do is to arrange the front of the gele. I will start with the Ashoke. Just have to, the center of the Ashoke, you just have to, like press it up, let it come up a little bit. Then what I'm doing right now is to use my office pin and pin the pepper gele and the Ashoke at the back. pin both of them together. When I'm done, I'm going to bring down the end of the pepper gele and pin it with the Ashoke. So guys, this gele is ready. I hope you learned something today. If you love this gele and you like it, please support your girl, share this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.